Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Guys, can you find the odd number within 10 seconds? Fantastic work. This one is the odd number 3. Train your brain, find the odd instant noodles. Amazing work. This one is the odd noodles. Looks simple but not easy. Find the odd letter. Super job. This one is the odd letter K. Are you a ninja master? Then find the odd number within time. Excellent work. This one is the odd number. Think fast, find smart, find the different cotton candy. That one is the odd cotton candy. Can you find the camouflage letter like N? You have amazing eyes. You find the odd letter. Only puzzle master can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Amazing work. This one is the odd number. Are you a non-vegetarian? Then find the odd chicken leg piece. Fantastic work. This one is the odd chicken leg piece. Math lover, attention here. Can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? "17" is the correct answer. Can you identify the different number within 10 seconds? Super cat. This one is the camouflage number. Easy level done. Medium level start. Can you find the odd letter like M-O-T? perfect spot, you find the odd letter. Only genius can find the odd burrito within time. Super catch, this one is the odd food. Can you find the odd number like 5 or 15? Yes, you are smart, you find the odd number. Are you a alphabet spy? Then find the odd letter A, E, P. Amazing work, this one is the odd letter. Only eagle eyes can find the odd burger food within time. Fantastic work, this one is the odd burger food. Are you smart? Then find the odd one within 10 seconds. Yes, you find the odd number within time. Another exciting math challenge. Can you solve this math quiz within time? Yes, 40 is the correct answer. Are you ice cream lover? Then find the odd ice cream within time. That one is the odd ice cream. Great work. Test your observation skill. Find the odd one within time. Yes, you did it. You find the odd number. Can you pick the odd letter like C and A? Awesome, you pick the odd letter within time. Are you a junk food edition lover? Then find the different hot dog food emoji. Good catch, this one is the different hot dog food emoji. Can you find a strange number like 809? Excellent! This one is the odd strange number. Only letter hunter can spot the odd letter within time. Yes, you find it like a hunter. Pizza lover can find the odd pizza within 10 seconds. Yes, correct find. This one is the odd pizza. Impossible to find the odd number within 10 seconds. I know this one impossible, but you find it within time. Can you find the rule breaker letter like MFS? I know you have a sharp eyes. You find the rule breaker letter. General knowledge quiz. Which food is known as the breakfast of champions? The B option is the correct option. Test your IQ. Find the number 762. Your IQ is very sharp. You find it. Can you spot the odd letter like TEN? Yes, you spot the odd letter within time. Super eyes can find the unique number like 343. Perfect spot, you find the unique number within time. Medium level done, hard level start. Only 5% can find the odd Cheetos within time. You are a genius. You find it the odd one, Cheetos. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Can you find the odd letter like BOLO? Super, you find the odd letter within time. Brain IQ, find the odd number. Challenge puzzle can find the odd one, FIFA. Only genius can find the odd French fries within 10 seconds. Fantastic work! This one is the odd French fries. Visual eyes challenge. Find the odd number within 10 seconds. Brand booster. Can you find the odd one? Asia. Can you find the different number within 10 seconds? The last one. Can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.